Here's a quick overview of a tube brace we make for the Conlux CCM5 changer. In some cases, this plastic right here will break and crack, and it's very typical when the cassette in here has the dollar tubes, which are perhaps a bit heavier, or someone breaks it. But just as these changers have gotten old and we fix them, we've kind of noticed where this cracks. This piece down here will sag. So basically, we make this little brace. It includes a slightly longer screw. So if yours is cracked here, what you do is you undo this existing Phillips screw. This piece pops in place and it clips in place. It will hold that brace up, and then you just put the replacement screw in here, and that will help like with payout issues, and it kind of saves the changer. But again, the goal of this, if your changer has a crack right here, this piece will sag maybe just 1/8 of an inch, and then it starts to malfunction. So this piece can be installed in less than a minute on location. And again, if the piece is cracked here, we highly recommend you install this.